Alright, here's our shaft. So we're going to see what this side here, how nasty it looks. And the problem is this tape is all screwed up over here. Maybe, maybe not, don't know. Let's see what we can do for, see how straight this shaft is. Coming off the bearing area with it. Not too bad overall. It's enough to be a pain in the butt, but oh well. Now if I took all these gears off, I can chuck it over here and they're probably on top of the spline and be a lot more secure about this, but we're not going to do that. Got blown up, ain't I? So we're going to see how bad this taper is in here. So this is my standard taper here. This is my long extension one here. Should go into there, yep. Even it is now. So that holds it a lot more even. I'm going to go ahead and turn that thread off now. See if that'll do the trick for me. Alright, we'll see how that works. The light on? Here's now. Okay, so I cut about 1/8 of an inch off the end of the shaft right there until it cleaned up. Then I took the last thread in half, I put a slight chamfer on that also. So now hopefully a nut will go onto that. So get this stuff out of the way here. So I cut off that many threads right now. I'm missing. And the new nut still does not want to go on, but it's trying to. The other new nut. There we go. I felt the bad thread move out of the way. Okay, what's going on there now? It's just got a bunch of crud you got to get past. Okay, so I'll clean that all up. I'm going to use this nut here instead of my new nut here, but this one's trying to go on also at this point. Yep, this one's trying to go on too now. Yep, they're both trying to go on. You see how it's tearing the threads up a little bit though, but it's not a happy camper, let's put it that way. Okay, I got to turn that shaft down more even also now. I'm breaking my tool here. Tripod's getting broken in. Flat way of saying destroyed. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. That's close enough. A little low probably. Oh, yeah, it's low. Definitely low. Chase after me here. That's easier. Alright. Good as new. Looks like stock. Alright, we're going to tear this thing up with. Good as new. Okay, get the good tools out of the way. Crack the stuff back in there. Okay, I'm going to clean this off, work the nuts in there until I go in by hand, so we'll be back.